Hello everyone, this is Neural Network News. Today I'm going to tell you about Skybox AI by Blockade Labs. With this AI you can make your own 360 worlds with just a couple of tools. As you can see, there is a link to Twitter on the website, where you can see the creations of people who already use this service. Now I will show you a tutorial how to use this service. When you go to this site, you just click Try Skybox AI. This will redirect you to Sandbox page. Here you can draw lines with brush, erase them, and chose guides. There are few options like cube grid, sphere grid, and plane grid. Next panel responds for prompt. Also, you can add negative prompts, and here you can choose in what style AI will generate. That's all for today's video. Leave a like and write a comment if this video was helpful. See you in next videos.